Carbon is the most abundant element on Earth and mainly known for cooking, remedy, or for water filtering. According to studies found that the activated carbon conducts electricity. Researchers believe that there is a cheaper and more artistic way on making a circuit, and that is the alternative. Activated carbon conductor ink, or ACCI, is a low-cost conductive ink. These researchers are Jhon Carmelo S. Sobrepeña, Andrei Irag, and Alduin S. Llenos, students from Gusa Regional Science High School X. The objective of the study is to produce and evaluate a low-cost alternative carbon conductive ink that can be of great help to researchers or people such as electricians.
The materials that are used on the making are small bottle container, lighter, wood, glue, paintbrush, 20 to 30 drops of water, and blender. The researchers burned some wood and carefully chose the activated carbon with the right amount of resistance to electricity. Moisten it up with 20 to 30 drops of water before blending it. After completely blended the activated carbons, 25 ml of glue was added to the blended activated carbon. Stored in a small container, then now it is ready to be compared with the commercial brand. These are the data that was gathered by the researchers. The homemade one was tested with different thickness because it mainly relies on thickness, while the commercial brand doesn't. The total p-value is equals to 0.0246. By conventional criteria, this difference is considered to be statistically significant.
After analyzing the data, the researchers had made conclusions, and these are: number 1, the resistance of the homemade product depends on the thickness of the ink being drawn, while the commercial brand only depends on the length of the wire. Number 2 is that the activated carbon conductive ink is proven effective, portable, easy to use, cost-effective, and reliable. It successfully conducts electricity but relies mainly on the thickness of the ink that was drawn. It has lower conductivity compared to commercial brand, but it is more cheaper. And lastly, the commercial conductive pen has better performance, but it doesn't mean that the homemade can compete. It always depends on the thickness of the ink. The difference between the two groups shows that 0.0246, which means that the difference is considered to be statistically significant.
The researchers would like to express their deep gratitude to everyone who assisted in this research study.